All right, this is a Pinheiro made in Portugal. It's a PMC 5450. Says 1993. I was told it didn't ship or get bought maybe until 95. You can see it's a pretty loud machine. Stamped in sound pressure level at 95 decibels. That's all with straight knives. It's pretty noisy. This machine's an 18-inch wide by, you could supposedly squeak out about 6.5 on the side heads. Customer would like to get 7.5 inches. I can actually get new spindles for these that are taller and new dust chutes. So that's not too bad. This actually has a 5th head, which will not be of any use for what this is being used for. There's your backside, inside, outside, whatever spindle you want to call it. Somebody's come through and put digital height readouts on everything. Of course, the batteries are left in it and the terminals are corroded. Not a huge deal on the side heads for a customer for what they're doing. This is a relic. Probably the only thing that I'm pretty sure doesn't work or that I can't get working. This is a Mitsubishi inverter. Basically, sole purpose was for variable speed on the feed. You can see there it kicked on a fan that was on it. None of that works. I can't get it working. It's only a 3-horse motor, I believe. Kilowatts, 2.6. So maybe 4 horse. Cheap enough to get a VFD. 440, 480 in, 480 out, 3-phase. It's probably not even worth messing with that. This panel, they said everything works except the feed currently, and I've got the motor off right down there for the elevation to run this basically top beam up and down. It was seized up. Sent it to the motor shop to have the windings checked, and I told them just to go ahead and change the bearings, clean it up, put it back together. I got other stuff to do. Runs 4-knife heads. It does run 2 corrugated knife pockets in the top head for molding like log cabin siding, stuff like that. This will be getting head switched over to insert heads. Probably the side heads too. This is just basically going to clean up architectural grade glued up beams. Go ahead and start it. Like I said, I know this light doesn't work. Couple of these, this is my feed. It does not, I cannot get it to start. Can't get it to do anything. It's not even worth troubleshooting that VFD for what new ones cost. This is your up and down. I don't have that hooked up. Obviously the motor's gone right now. Everything else works. Some of these, the lights work in them. Other ones, the lights don't. I'm not going to kick it all on at one time just because I'm not sure I got enough fuse in my disconnect. All right, turn the bottom one on. And they're screamers. They probably run about 6,000 RPM. We'll turn the top one on with it as well. There's bottom and top going. We'll shut those off. We'll kick the side heads on. Both side heads going. I said she's a little noisy when they're all running. See, the lights eventually come on in there. There must be a timer or something on them. I don't know. Well, that's it. It's typical things. I think it's been sitting for at least 10 years unused. Still get some bearings, cutter heads. It's going to have to get a in-feed and out-feed supported table for it. It's a plain, really long material. But these are cool little machines. I think they said it was about $55,000 in 1993.